Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to my lovely kids. Today we have our English class and there is something very interesting for you all. There is a lovely story to tell you all. Are you all excited to hear the story? Yes, even I am very excited to tell you all the story. So, before we start with that story, can you all tell me, do you all know what is a jungle? Do you all know what is a jungle? Have you all seen in the movie or in the cartoon? Yes, we all see cartoon. Yes, you all love to see the cartoon. Yes, we see jungle over there. What is there in the jungle? Can anybody tell me what is there in the jungle? Yes, you all are right. There are a lot of trees. And what else? Yes, in the jungle there are a lot of animals. We find all kind of animals over there. Like, can you all tell me some names? Yes, the elephant, the monkey, yes, the tiger, the lion. There are so many birds. Yes. So today the story which I am going to tell you all is about all the animals. But there is one special character in it. It is a turtle. Do you all know what is a turtle? Yes, do you all know what is a turtle? Have you all seen a turtle? No? Let me show you all the picture of the turtle. See, can you all see the picture of the turtle now? Yes, this is a turtle. Yes, there was a small little turtle and the story is about him. So let's read the story. I will read it out for y'all and explain y'all what is the story about. Yes? So let's start our story. The name of the story is The Chatterbox Turtle. Now, y'all might be thinking, what is a chatterbox? Who is called a chatterbox? Can anybody guess who is called a chatterbox? No? Let me tell you all. Chatterbox is a person who talks a lot, who loves to talk. Even my kids loves to talk. Yes, when they are in the class, they love to talk to their friends, isn't it? They make up stories, they tell them what happened yesterday, what they did, what they want to do. They talk a lot. So the person who loves to talk or who talks a lot is called a chatterbox. So the turtle was a chatterbox. Yes, he loved to talk. So let's read the story now. Turtle lived in a muddy pool. Lots of animals came to the pool to drink. Turtle loved to talk to the animals. Now, as I told y'all, the story is about a turtle. So they said that the turtle used to live in a muddy pool. Can you all see the picture of the pool now? Yes, this is a pool where there is water. So the turtle used to live in that muddy pool. There came lots of animals. Yes, in that muddy pool, all the animals from the jungle used to come to drink water. Turtle loved to talk to the animals. Now can you all see there are so many animals in the picture? There is an elephant, monkey, duck, snake, the birds. Yes, they all came to the muddy pool to drink water and the turtle used to love to talk to them. One day, Turtle saw two geese by the pool. Who he saw? He saw two geese. You know what is geese? Yes, they look like a duck. Now can you all see the picture of the geese? These are called geese. The turtle saw these two geese near the pool. What did he do then? What are you doing here? He asked. What did he ask? What are you doing here? We are on our way home, said the geese. We live far away on a beautiful blue lake. What did the geese say? We are on our way home. They said we are going back to our home. We live away on a beautiful blue lake where the geese lived. They lived on a beautiful blue lake. Yes, Turtle looked at his muddy pool. I wish I could go there, he said. What did he say? He looked at the muddy pool. The pool was very dirty. It had all mud over there. So he said, I wish I could go to that beautiful blue lake. Why don't you fly back with us? Asked the two geese. I can't fly, Turtle told them. What did the geese say? Why don't you fly back with us? They asked him to fly with them to the beautiful blue lake. But the turtle said, I cannot fly. Can you see wings on turtle? No, the turtle doesn't have wings. So he said, I cannot fly. We'll carry you to the lake, said the geese. But you must not talk until we get home. What did they say? We will carry you to the lake. The geese were going to fly. Yes, they were going to fly, and they said to the turtle, we will carry you to the lake. But they said, if you want to come with us, you shouldn't talk till we get back home. Now, the turtle was a chatterbox. He used to love to talk. So let's see what happened now. I won't say one word, said Turtle. What did the turtle say? I will not say a single word till I reach your lake. The geese found a long stick. They held it in their beak. Can you see the two geese holding the long stick in their beak? They hold that long stick in their beak and they started flying. Hold on to this with your mouth. What did they say? They both were holding a long stick and they two asked the turtle to hold that stick with his mouth. And they said, remember, you must not talk a word or you will fall. What happened? What did they say? You will catch the stick with your beak and remember that you shouldn't talk till we get back to the lake, otherwise you are going to fall. Can you all see the geese holding the stick and the turtle hanging to the beak? The stick, he is holding to the stick with his mouth. Now, if he opens the mouth, he is going to fall. Yes, so the geese said, remember, you shouldn't talk. Turtle put the stick in his mouth and the two geese flew up. Can you see the picture? The geese are flying up and the turtle is holding that stick in his mouth. Yes, up into the sky. As they flew over the trees, two parrots saw them. What happened? Can you all see the geese flying? They are flying above the trees. Yes, they were flying above the trees. When they were flying, the two parrots saw them. Turtle wanted to shout back to them. Just in time, he remembered not to talk. As the turtle used to love to talk, when he saw the two parrots, he got very excited and he wanted to talk and shout. But then he remembered that if he opens his mouth, he is going to fall. The monkeys saw Turtle too. The monkeys also was sitting on the tree. Can you all see the monkeys sitting on the tree? Yes, even the monkeys saw the turtle flying with the geese. Yes, they waved their paws at him. Can you all see they are saying bye bye with their paws? Can you all see the monkeys saying? Yes, they were very excited to see the turtle flying. So they said bye bye. They waved their paws at him. You do look silly, they shouted. What did they say? You do look silly, because they were not used to that turtle will fly. So they said, you are looking silly. Turtle wanted to shout. Just in time, he remembered not to talk. The turtle again wanted to shout back and give them the answer. But he remembered, if he talk, he is going to fall. Look, turtle has to keep his mouth closed, laughed Snake. Next, he saw the snake. Can you all see the snake on the tree? The snake was laughing and he said, look, the turtle has to keep his mouth shut, Everybody knew that turtle couldn't keep his mouth shut. So he was making fun of him and saying, see, he has to keep his mouth shut. You cannot stop talking. What did he say? To tease him, he said, you cannot stop talking. Then the turtle said, yes, I can, shouted Turtle. Now, when the snake was teasing him, the turtle got very angry and he said, yes, I can. He shouted, yes, I can. Down, down, down he fell. Bump, bump, bump he went. Can you all see as soon as the turtle opened his mouth to shout, yes, I can, he came down and he fell bump, bump, bump. Can you all see the turtle fell down? Yes, can you all see in the picture? He fell down on the ground. The animal rushed to see him. Can you see all the animals running towards him? And they came and they saw how the turtle fell. Turtle grinned up at them. He got very angry and he got up. You were right, he said. I cannot stop talking. What did he say? You all are right that I cannot stop talking. But now I have been flying, he laughed. He said, but I flew in the sky, and he laughed. He was excited that he flew in the sky. But he got to know that he cannot keep his mouth shut. I have got even more to talk about. Now what did he say? As I flew in the sky, I saw everything in the jungle, and I have even more to talk about now. And he went all the way home to his muddy pool. What did he do? He laughed and he said that I have even more to talk about, and he said this and he went back to his muddy pool. So did you all see? The story was such a beautiful story. There were so many animals and there was a turtle in it that he couldn't stop talking. That is why he was called as a chatterbox. Chatterbox is a person who cannot stop talking. So turtle was one example to y'all that he couldn't stop talking. But because of his habit that he couldn't stop talking, what had happened? He couldn't see the blue lake. Yes, he couldn't see the blue lake because he talked in the middle and he fell down. Yes. And all the animals in the jungle were making fun of him that he couldn't stop talking. So everybody knew that he will not stop talking and he couldn't go to the beautiful blue lake. So from this story, what do you all come to know? Yes, you all come to know that you shouldn't talk a lot. You should control yourself. Yes. So now you all are going to read this beautiful story and try to answer the questions which are there on page number 74. I hope you all have enjoyed seeing the story and listening to the story, and you all have seen so many animals and beautiful green trees and a beautiful lake where the turtle used to live, beautiful muddy pool where the turtle used to live, and we came to know that we shouldn't talk a lot, we should control ourselves. Yes, we got a good lesson from this story, isn't it? So now we will meet in our next English class. Okay, till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.